Are you preparing for a Google Cloud Platform interview in 2025? In this third part of our GCP Interview Question Series, we bring you top 10 advanced questions and answer. Whether you're aiming to become a cloud engineer, solutions architect, or DevOps expert, these advanced and practical questions will boost your confidence and help you stand out in your next interview. Let's dive right in. Question 1. What is Cloud Spanner in GCP and how is it different from other databases? Answer. Cloud Spanner is a fully managed, horizontally scalable, globally distributed, and strongly consistent database service offered by GCP. It uniquely combines the benefits of traditional relational database systems, like SQL querying and ACID transactions, with the scalability and availability of NoSQL databases. Unlike Cloud SQL or BigQuery, Cloud Spanner is designed for mission-critical applications that require high availability and global consistency. One key differentiator is its global synchronization mechanism powered by TrueTime API, which allows consistent reads across regions. This ensures applications can read the most recent committed data even in distributed environments. It's ideal for financial systems, gaming backends, or any application needing strong consistency at global scale. The trade-off is complexity and cost, so it's best used when traditional databases can't scale to your needs. Question 2. Explain how VPC peering works in Google Cloud Platform. Answer. VPC peering in GCP allows you to connect two virtual private cloud or VPC networks so that resources in each network can communicate with each other using internal IPs, without using public internet or VPNs. It's useful for microservice architectures, where different services are deployed in separate VPCs but need secure communication. The networks can be in the same or different GCP projects but must not have overlapping IP ranges. Unlike shared VPCs, VPC peering retains project-level independence. However, there are some limitations: no transitive peering, you can't chain VPCs via a common peer, and no support for dynamic routing updates. Once peered, resources such as Compute Engine instances or Google Kubernetes Engine clusters can interact over private IPs, resulting in low latency, high-speed data transfer. Question 3. What is the role of Identity-Aware Proxy or IAP in GCP? Answer. Identity-Aware Proxy or IAP is a security layer in GCP that controls access to web applications and VMs based on the identity of the user. Instead of managing access via traditional network firewalls, IAP allows you to implement identity and context-based access controls. When users try to access your application, IAP first checks their identity through OAuth 2 and applies security policies before allowing access. This is particularly useful for internal web apps or APIs where you want access restricted only to employees or specific users without exposing the services to the public internet. IAP integrates with Google Identity and Access Management or IAM, allowing role-based control and auditing. It's ideal for zero-trust security models where access is controlled at the application level rather than just the network. Question 4. What is Cloud Composer and when should you use it in GCP? Answer. Cloud Composer is a fully managed workflow orchestration service based on Apache Airflow. It's used to schedule, monitor, and manage workflows across cloud and on-prem services. Each step in a workflow is represented as a directed acyclic graph or DAG, and Cloud Composer handles task execution, retries, logging, and monitoring. It's especially powerful for ETL or extract, transform, load, pipelines, data lake operations, and ML training automation. Because it's based on Airflow, it provides rich integrations with other GCP services like BigQuery, Cloud Storage, Dataflow, and PubSub. Cloud Composer ensures reliability through managed scaling, and simplifies operational overhead. It's a strong fit when you need complex, multi-step workflows with dependencies, and want a centralized view and control of the process. Question 5. What are sole tenant nodes in Google Cloud? Answer. Sole tenant nodes are dedicated physical compute engine servers that host only your VM instances. Unlike shared infrastructure, sole tenant nodes provide isolation, which is often required for compliance, licensing, or performance reasons. These are ideal for workloads where sharing hardware could lead to noisy neighbor issues or where you need to comply with regulations requiring hardware isolation. You can configure node affinity and anti-affinity to control how your instances are scheduled. While this comes at a higher cost compared to standard VMs, you gain dedicated resources, predictable performance, and the ability to bring your own licenses or BYOL. It's also useful in scenarios like SAP workloads or enterprise software that require hardware-level control. Question 6. What is the difference between Cloud Functions and Cloud Run? Answer. Both Cloud Functions and Cloud Run allow you to run serverless applications in GCP, but they serve different use cases. Cloud Functions is ideal for lightweight, event-driven logic like reacting to a file upload or a message in pub/sub. You just write the function and deploy. Google handles scaling, patching, and availability. However, it's limited to specific languages and tightly coupled deployment models. Cloud Run, on the other hand, lets you deploy containerized applications. It supports any language or framework as long as it's inside a container. It provides more control over execution environments and is suitable for HTTP APIs, microservices, and background jobs. Cloud Run supports concurrency and has broader scalability options. If you need more flexibility and containerization, Cloud Run is the better choice. Question 7. Explain the use of Cloud Interconnect. Answer. Cloud Interconnect allows enterprises to establish high-speed, low-latency connectivity between their on-premise network and Google's network. It comes in two options: Dedicated Interconnect, which provides direct physical connections to Google's Edge, and Partner Interconnect, which connects through a supported service provider. It's used when VPN connections aren't sufficient due to bandwidth or latency requirements. For example, large-scale data migrations, hybrid cloud applications, or latency-sensitive workloads benefit from Cloud Interconnect. It offers bandwidths up to 100 gigabits per second, high availability via redundant circuits, and predictable performance. Unlike public internet connections, it ensures private, secure connectivity and helps meet regulatory requirements. Question 8. What is Artifact Registry in GCP and how is it different from Container Registry? Answer. Artifact Registry is GCP's unified repository for storing container images and other build artifacts like Maven and NPM packages. It replaces Container Registry, offering better security, support for regional repositories, and more integration with CI/CD pipelines. While Container Registry only supports Docker images, Artifact Registry supports multiple formats, making it more versatile for modern development workflows. It integrates tightly with Cloud Build and IAM for fine-grained access control, audit logging, and vulnerability scanning. Artifact Registry also allows for repository-level permissions and supports private and public repositories. If you're managing a DevOps workflow, Artifact Registry provides a centralized, scalable, and secure storage option for all your artifacts. Question 9. What is FileStore in Google Cloud and how is it used? Answer. FileStore is a fully managed file storage service in GCP that provides a shared file system accessible via NFS protocol. It's designed to be used with workloads that require a file system interface and shared storage, such as CMS platforms, media rendering, or data analytics pipelines. You can mount FileStore volumes to multiple compute engine or GKE instances, making it easy to share data. FileStore offers multiple performance tiers like Basic, High Scale, and Enterprise, catering to different use cases and throughput requirements. It's particularly useful when applications expect POSIX-compliant file systems, unlike cloud storage, which is object-based. FileStore integrates well with GKE, making it a good choice for stateful applications in containers. Question 10. What is Google Cloud Data Fusion and where would you use it? Answer. Google Cloud Data Fusion is a fully managed, cloud-native data integration service that helps users build and manage ETL pipelines. Built on the open-source CDAP platform, it offers a visual interface where users can design data workflows with drag-and-drop components. It connects with both on-prem and cloud data sources, supporting transformations, joins, filtering, and aggregations. One of its strengths is its ability to generate Apache Spark jobs to handle large-scale data processing efficiently. It also integrates with BigQuery, PubSub, and cloud storage, making it ideal for data warehousing, analytics, and ML workflows. Data Fusion accelerates data onboarding and improves visibility with centralized pipeline management, error tracking, and versioning. It's best suited for data engineering teams looking for scalable and code-optional data integration. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.